Hey, what's up YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Scatty back with some more street content for you guys. I'm currently at one of my boys little garages right here where he gets all of his tinting and wrapping done. I will put all of his information in the description below so you guys can go hit him up. Right now I'm getting I don't want to show his car because his car is hella badass, so I don't want to get that on camera yet. Let's turn this way. But look y'all, we got the Camry right here getting tinted up all the way around. I'm doing 20% for my lady because I can't have her riding around in the fishbowl. And then when I'm in the Camry too, it's like, it's too clear. I don't like it. But I came over here to get that done. He's got two dudes who work in here that do more tin and wraps. So you guys hit up my boy Anthony. I'll put his all information down there. And not only does he get down with the wraps and the tint, look what my boy's pushing. Man, look at this. I'm not really too sure what year it is, but a beautiful, sick M3. I've been saying it ever since we found each other on social media. I was like, bro, this is the sickest M3 out there. I mean, I've seen the model before, but the color alone is just like, bruh, this is nasty. I'm gonna get a shot of the interior right now, and then I'm gonna go see inside the garage. I think there's like a 392 Jeep in there, SRT8, so we're gonna check that out. But let's check out this interior real quick, man. Sheesh. Bro, hold on. For the interior, let me get this walk around real quick, y'all. Look at that, man. Beautiful car. Beautiful. Y'all follow him on Instagram. Any questions about the tinting or the wraps, you guys could DM him and he will help you out when he is not busy. Let's check this out, y'all. Damn, beautiful M3 right there. Let's see that. Let's see that. Ooh. With the red gutties? Bro, you didn't tell me you had the red guts in here. Damn, I love that. I love that. All right, y'all, let's go talk to the man himself. Should have definitely got the Camry clean a little bit better. It's hella raining out here, man. I wasn't able to get it all clean. But you guys, I didn't tell nobody. I didn't tell them either, but we got a Hellcat crate engine in here. And then my boy Anthony right here. What's up, bro? Thank you for taking me in, bro, for real. I'm plugging you all the descriptions and everything, bro. Hell yeah. Sheesh.
I think it's a badge, but is there or not?
It is a 392 badge, but I don't know if he's got the actual engine in there. That'd be sick if he did.
I don't think it didn't sound like a V8.
Yeah, we're gonna have to just take it out there and test it then. Sick wrap on this right here. But again, like I said, y'all, wraps, tints, you guys hit up my boy Anthony. All the information will be thrown in the description below. We got the beautiful beast sitting out here, man. I gotta get some shots of this. This is so sick. I'm gonna have to talk him into letting me drive it. I'm just gonna have to talk him into it. He popped the hood just to see if it was an up badge, and I thought it was an up badge. I looked at the brakes and I was like, okay, yeah, those aren't Brembos. It's definitely an up badge, but it's not all the way an up badge. It's technically a 345, not a 92, but I still give him props. It's a V8, you know, I gotta give him that. Still a good build. Are you guys gonna wrap this one or just tinting it? Okay, is it already done?
Yeah, it's already done.
Hey, looks nice, looks nice. Shout out to this guy. Hey, for the copyright, thank you, bro. Thank you for that. You're a G for that. Damn. All right, shall we gonna get it back down? We'll get out of his way right here. Damn, beautiful. That's what got you into the BMWs, huh? This guy right here is what got you into the BMWs. Damn, that green looks so sick. The fitment on the tires, y'all, the wheels. Crazy build, crazy. All right, y'all, that M3 was super crazy. Huge shout out to my boy Anthony one more time for getting this done on my girl's Camry. I don't know if I said it before, but it's like a surprise. I didn't tell her I was gonna do it, so I just pulled up to the house. We're gonna get it all done. I'm not gonna get it on camera for her being all surprised because she's already gonna be mad like, oh, I didn't know I was gonna be on camera. So y'all don't really want to see it anyways. It's just a little surprise. But big shout out to Anthony one more time. I will put all of his information in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You will be seeing more of Anthony and his crazy M3 and more videos to come. You guys have a good one, all right?